Have you ever tried creating a file named con in Windows? No matter what you do, con.txt, con.doc, or even just a folder named con, Windows simply refuses. Strange, right? Today, we're diving into one of Windows' oldest mysteries, why you can't name a file con. And the answer goes back decades, all the way to the very beginning of Microsoft's operating systems. Let's test it. I'll try to create a new folder and name it con. Windows instantly blocks it, saying, the specified device name is invalid. Let's create a text file, con.txt. Windows is not allowing that either. Well, I am not going to let it go that easily. Let's use the command prompt to create the folder. I am running the command prompt as administrator, so there won't be any issues related to permissions. Let's create a folder named test in the C drive. Inside this folder, we will now try creating the folder named con. We got the error. Now let's try creating a text file. Type echo space hello redirect to hello.txt, hit enter. You can see the file is created in the current folder. Now try creating con.txt. You can see that no such file was created. And it's not just con. Try creating a file or folder using the names prn, aux, nul, com1 to com9, or lpt1 to lpt9. None of them work. But why? To understand this, we need to go back to the 1980s, the MS-DOS era. Back then, computers didn't treat these as normal file names. Con stood for the console, your screen and keyboard. PRN was the printer. AUX was an auxiliary device, like an early serial port. NUL was the black hole of computing. Data sent there just disappeared. And COM1 to COM9, LPT1 to LPT9. Those were communication and printer ports. In short, these weren't files. They were special device names hard-coded into the system. When you try to create a file or folder using these reserved names, the error shows us a hint as to why it is not allowing you to create. You see the error, device name is invalid. It is because these names are reserved for devices and are called device files. These files act as a medium between the software and the devices. Like if you want to print a file, you just redirect its output to the PRN device file, and then the PRN has instructions on how to contact your printer. It contacts your printer and sends the document for printing. That's why these file names were reserved, so that the file system won't get confused. Even though we've moved far beyond MS-DOS, Windows still keeps this rule for compatibility. Old programs expect these names to behave like devices, not files. So if Windows suddenly allowed you to create con.txt, those older programs might break in unexpected ways, but I think that now Microsoft is slowly moving from this dependency. As on Windows 10, I couldn't create either a folder or a file with these reserved device file names, but when I tried the same on Windows 11, I could create the file with the reserved names, as you can see, but while creating the folder name, it showed the same error. It looks like Microsoft is slowly removing the compatibility for ancient programs. But here's the twist. There is a way to trick Windows into letting you use these forbidden names. When you use the special path prefix // question mark, and then /, Windows skips its usual checks with the forbidden rules and directly instructs the file system to create the file or folder. For example, type echo, space, the text for the file, output to // question mark, /. Now here type the full path and file name, C:\, /test, /, and type con.txt. And just like that, we have a file named con. You cannot do anything with this file. You cannot open it, rename it, move it, or delete it. You will see the error. The only way to delete this is by using the same trick that was used to create it. Type del space // question mark / full path of the file, hit enter, problem solved. So what seems like a silly Windows limitation is actually a piece of computing history that still lives inside modern Windows. It's one of those hidden quirks that reminds us how much of today's tech is built on foundations laid decades ago. So next time someone asks why you can't name a file con in Windows, you'll know it's not a bug, it's a 40-year-old feature. If you enjoyed uncovering this Windows mystery, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more hidden quirks like this one. Thanks for watching. And remember, in Windows, some names are simply off limits.